Holy Child Senior High School, also known as Angels Hill, is an all-girls senior high school in Cape Coast in the central region of Ghana, and this is the entrance to the school. Once we enter the school, we see that the school is on a hill. Let's take a look at some of their classroom blocks. In a few moments, we'll take a look inside one of the classrooms. Holy Child is ranked as one of the best senior high schools not only in Ghana but in Africa, producing the best overall female students in the 2003 SSSC. Holy Child also produced the best and second best overall students for the 2017 WASSCE.
You wanna know what's beginning of love? You look so high, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like that. Feel like that.
We are now looking at some of the school's boarding houses. At the end of the video, we'll take a look inside one of the boarding houses. The school is relatively small, with a student population of over 1,000 girls who are all boarders. Holy Child was founded in 1946 by the Society of the Holy Child Jesus to provide education to Catholics within the region. It is therefore not surprising that in the center of the school we see a sculpture of Jesus.
Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it.
The school's motto is in Latin, Facta non verba, translated to mean actions, not words. We are now looking at some summer hats donated by some old students in commemoration of their 30th anniversary. Here we find the school's assembly hall.
Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like.
Let's take a look at some more of their boarding houses.
Beginning of love. You look so high, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like.
If you are current or an old student of Holy Child, can you tell us what this building is? Here we find the school's main school bus. This is Saint Maria's house. As promised, let's take a look inside the boarding house.
You wanna know what's beginning of love? You look so high, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God.
Holy Child, nicknamed Holico, has a small but beautiful campus. To take a tour of Ibri Girls, Adisadel College and other top schools in Ghana, click on the next video. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.